Ever considered how crucial the transportation of wood is to our everyday lives? Pause for a moment and think about it. From the paper we write on to the furniture we use, even the houses we live in, wood plays an integral part in our day-to-day lives. But have you ever wondered how this wood gets from the forest to your local store? That's where wood transportation steps onto the stage. The scale and impact of wood transportation is more profound than you might think. According to the World Bank, globally, the forestry sector contributes over $600 billion to the global GDP annually. A significant chunk of this comes from the transportation of wood. In the United States alone, the transportation of wood and wood products employs over 100,000 people, making it a significant player in the job market. Furthermore, the American Trucking Association estimates that around 2 million tons of wood are transported across the country each day. That's the equivalent of 500,000 elephants. But it's not just about the numbers. Wood transportation is also a key player in sustainable development. By managing and controlling the transportation of wood, we can ensure that the harvesting of timber is sustainable, preventing deforestation and preserving our forests for future generations. So, how does the process of wood transportation work? Well, it begins in the forest, where the trees are cut down and prepared for transportation. The logs are then loaded onto trucks, trains, or ships, depending on the distance they need to travel. From there, they journey to sawmills, where they are transformed into the wood products we use every day. However, the process doesn't end there. The wood then has to be transported to various retailers and manufacturers who turn it into the furniture, paper, and other wood products we use daily. In conclusion, wood transportation is a vital cog in the wheel of our daily lives. It contributes significantly to the economy, provides jobs, and plays a critical role in sustainable development. It's a complex process, but one that ensures you have the wood products you need when you need them. So, next time you sit down at a wooden desk or write on a piece of paper, remember the journey that wood has taken to get to you.